Get ready to discover the Nikon cameras that prove smartphones haven't killed dedicated photography and still can't match real camera performance. While phone manufacturers claim their computational photography matches proper cameras, these 10 Nikon models expose that lie with superior image quality, real optical zoom, and creative control smartphones simply cannot deliver. From massive super zoom capabilities to interchangeable lens versatility and DSLR sensor superiority, these cameras destroy smartphone limitations at prices that won't destroy your bank account. Whether you're capturing wildlife, landscapes, portraits, or family memories, these Nikons deliver professional results that make smartphone photos look flat and lifeless in comparison. Let's count down the affordable Nikon cameras that prove dedicated photography gear still reigns supreme in 2026. Number 10. Nikon COOLPIX P950. The Nikon COOLPIX P950 obliterates smartphone zoom capabilities with its incredible 8D3X optical zoom, reaching 2,000mm equivalent focal length impossibly. This camera brings distant subjects so close you can photograph the moon with stunning detail that smartphone digital zoom turns into pixelated mush. The 16-megapixel sensor captures far more detail than smartphone crops, maintaining image quality even when zooming to extreme telephoto ranges. The raw shooting capability provides professional editing flexibility that smartphone JPEG processing simply cannot match for serious post-production work. The electronic viewfinder lets you compose shots in bright sunlight where smartphone screens become invisible washouts, impossible to see clearly. The dedicated zoom control provides smooth, precise framing that touchscreen pinch to zoom could never replicate for photography requiring exact composition. The image stabilization works miracles at extreme focal lengths, delivering sharp handheld shots that would be impossible blurry messes on phones. This COOLPIX represents the ultimate wildlife and sports camera for enthusiasts wanting serious reach without spending thousands on telephoto lenses. Number 9. Nikon D3500 DSLR Kit. The Nikon D3500 DSLR Kit destroys smartphones with its massive APS-C sensor capturing exponentially more light and detail than tiny phone sensors. This camera delivers true background blur through optical physics that computational portrait modes fake with inconsistent edge detection and obvious processing artifacts. The 24-megapixel sensor provides incredible resolution and dynamic range that survives heavy editing without falling apart into noise like smartphone images. The optical viewfinder shows exactly what the lens sees without lag or battery drain, providing a direct connection smartphones cannot replicate. The 18-55mm kit lens offers genuine zoom versatility from wide-angle to portrait focal lengths with real optical quality throughout. The interchangeable lens system means unlimited creative possibilities as your skills grow, while smartphones remain forever limited to their fixed lenses. The battery life delivers 1,950 shots per charge versus smartphones dying after a few hundred photos during all-day shooting sessions. This D3500 represents the perfect entry into real photography with DSLR image quality, destroying smartphone computational trickery at every turn. Number 8. Nikon COOLPIX B600. The Nikon COOLPIX B600 brings 60x optical zoom in an affordable package that makes smartphone zoom look laughably inadequate for distance shooting. This camera reaches 1440mm equivalent focal length, bringing birds, wildlife, and distant subjects into frame that phones cannot even detect properly. The 16-megapixel sensor maintains usable quality throughout the zoom range, while smartphone digital zoom creates unusable pixelated disasters beyond 2x. The dedicated camera controls provide quick access to exposure settings that smartphone menus bury under multiple taps and swipes annoyingly. The image stabilization compensates for handshake at telephoto focal lengths where smartphones produce nothing but blurry, unusable garbage shots. The AA battery power means you can shoot anywhere by carrying spare batteries versus being tethered to power banks and outlets. The compact bridge camera design balances portability with serious capabilities that dedicated cameras deliver over phone compromises everywhere. This COOLPIX B600 proves that real optical zoom destroys smartphone digital zoom pretenders at budget prices anyone can actually afford. Number 7. Nikon Z30 Mirrorless Body Only. The Nikon Z30 mirrorless body demolishes smartphones for video creators needing professional quality without professional budgets or complicated setups. This camera shoots 4K video with proper color science and dynamic range that smartphone footage cannot match despite marketing claims. The interchangeable Z-mount lenses provide creative control and professional looks that fixed smartphone lenses make physically impossible to achieve ever. The flip-out screen enables perfect vlogging angles and self-recording that front smartphone cameras struggle with due to quality compromises. The external microphone input delivers professional audio quality, while smartphone microphones capture thin, amateur sound that screams unprofessional production. The unlimited recording time means you can capture entire events without arbitrary recording limits that plague smartphones and consumer cameras. The eye autofocus tracks subjects perfectly during movement, while smartphone autofocus hunts awkwardly, ruining crucial moments with soft focus. This Z30 represents the ultimate creator camera for YouTubers and content producers wanting professional quality, destroying smartphone video limitations. Number 6. Nikon D5600 DSLR Kit. The Nikon D5600 DSLR kit crushes smartphones with its 24-megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering superior low-light performance and image quality everywhere. This camera shoots clean, usable images at high ISOs, where smartphones produce noisy, blotchy messes requiring aggressive processing that destroys detail. The 39-point autofocus system locks onto subjects with precision that smartphone contrast detection cannot match for moving subjects and action. The optical viewfinder provides lag-free shooting and perfect composition that electronic smartphone screens struggle to deliver in bright outdoor conditions. The articulating touchscreen enables creative angles and positions that smartphone cameras make awkward or impossible to achieve during shooting sessions. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows instant sharing when needed, while maintaining the image quality advantages that make sharing worthwhile versus phone snapshots. The 18 to 55mm kit lens delivers sharp, versatile performance that smartphone computational zoom cannot replicate despite marketing claims about quality. This D5600 represents the sweet spot for enthusiasts wanting DSLR capabilities with modern connectivity, destroying smartphone photography limitations comprehensively. Number 5. Nikon COOLPIX P1000. The Nikon COOLPIX P1000 annihilates smartphone zoom with its absurd 125x optical zoom, reaching 3000mm of equivalent that defies belief and physics. This camera brings the moon so close you can see craters in detail that smartphones cannot even focus on properly at all. The incredible reach makes wildlife photography accessible without expensive telephoto lenses costing more than cars for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The raw shooting provides professional image quality and editing flexibility that smartphone JPEG processing destroys through aggressive compression and processing. The electronic viewfinder becomes essential at extreme focal lengths where smartphone screens are completely useless for precise composition and framing. The dual detect optical vibration reduction performs miracles, stabilizing the image at focal lengths that would produce unusable blur otherwise. The manual controls provide creative freedom for exposure and focus that smartphone automation cannot match when you need precise control. This P1000 represents the ultimate super zoom camera for anyone wanting to photograph distant subjects that smartphones cannot even see clearly. Number 4. Nikon Z50 Mirrorless Kit. The Nikon Z50 Mirrorless Kit demolishes smartphones with its 20.9-megapixel APS-C sensor and lightning-fast hybrid autofocus system throughout shooting. This camera delivers professional image quality in a compact body that remains far superior to any smartphone despite size advantages. The Z-mount lens ecosystem provides access to professional-grade optics that create images smartphones cannot replicate through computational processing tricks alone. The 11 FPS continuous shooting captures perfect moments in bursts, while smartphone processing lag means you miss critical action and expressions constantly. The eye detection autofocus locks onto subjects with precision that smartphone face detection struggles to match during movement and challenging lighting. The tilting touchscreen enables creative angles and comfortable composition that smartphone ergonomics make awkward and uncomfortable during extended shooting. The 4K video with superior color and dynamic range destroys smartphone footage despite phones claiming cinematic capabilities in marketing. This Z50 represents modern mirrorless technology destroying smartphone photography while maintaining portability and ease of use for everyday shooting. Number 3. Nikon D7500 DSLR Body. The Nikon D7500 DSLR body crushes smartphones with its 20.9 megapixel sensor and professional-grade autofocus tracking system for serious shooting. This camera delivers exceptional high ISO performance, maintaining clean images at sensitivities where smartphones produce unusable noise and processing artifacts. The 51-point autofocus system with 3D tracking locks onto moving subjects that smartphone autofocus loses constantly during action photography. The 8 FPS continuous shooting combined with deep buffer means you never miss moments while smartphones lag and stutter during bursts. The weather-sealed body handles rain and challenging conditions that would destroy smartphones or force you to stop shooting entirely. The dual SD card slots provide backup redundancy and extended capacity that smartphone storage limitations make impossible for serious work. The optical viewfinder delivers professional composition and shooting experience that smartphone screens cannot replicate regardless of brightness or resolution. This D7500 represents enthusiast-grade DSLR performance, destroying smartphone capabilities for anyone serious about photography beyond casual snapshots and social media. Number 2. Nikon Z50 Mirrorless Body. The Nikon Z50 Mirrorless Body combines retro aesthetics with modern technology that destroys smartphone photography while looking absolutely gorgeous doing it. This camera features dedicated dials for shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation, providing tactile control smartphones bury in menus. The 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor delivers superior image quality and dynamic range that smartphone computational photography cannot genuinely match. The interchangeable Z-mount lenses enable creative expression and optical quality that fixed smartphone lenses make physically impossible to achieve. The eye autofocus and subject tracking maintain perfect focus during movement where smartphone autofocus struggles and produces soft results. The flip-down screen enables perfect selfies and vlogging with real camera quality, destroying front smartphone camera quality compromises. The 4K video with professional color science and dynamic range makes smartphone footage look flat and lifeless in comparison. This ZFC represents photography joy with classic design and modern performance, destroying smartphone photography while making you smile every time. Number 1. Nikon D3400 DSLR Kit. The Nikon D3400 DSLR Kit takes the top spot as the ultimate smartphone destroyer, available for just $250 in the used market. This camera delivers 24 megapixel APS-C sensor quality that exposes smartphone image quality as the compressed, processed compromise it truly is. The guide mode provides interactive learning that teaches real photography concepts smartphones hide behind automatic processing and computational tricks. The 1-200-shot battery life means you shoot all day and week without charging, while smartphones die after minimal photography use. The 1855mm kit lens provides genuine optical zoom and quality that smartphone digital zoom and computational trickery cannot replicate honestly. The optical viewfinder delivers instant, lag-free composition that smartphone screens struggle to provide, especially in bright outdoor sunlight conditions. The interchangeable lens system means unlimited growth potential as your skills develop beyond what smartphones allow creatively forever. The affordable used prices make real photography accessible to everyone, destroying the excuse that smartphones are good enough for serious work. This D3400 represents the perfect gateway into real photography with image quality that makes smartphone photos look like the inferior compromises.